Choosing cookware shouldn't feel like a chemistry lesson. If you're hunting for the best pans for cooking non-stick meals, the right choice comes down to coating, heat control, and how you actually cook daily. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. All-Clad HA1 Non-Stick Pan. If you've ever wanted restaurant-caliber results without the restaurant-caliber cleanup, this two-piece set earns its keep fast. The 8-inch and 10-inch fry pans handle everything from delicate scrambled eggs to a proper sear on chicken thighs, and the flared sides make flipping food with just a wrist flick genuinely easy. No tongs required for most jobs. What sets this apart is the heavy-gauge aluminum core paired with a stainless base, which spreads heat evenly instead of leaving hot spots that scorch one side of your omelet while the other stays raw. The PTFE non-stick coating releases food cleanly, so you'll use noticeably less butter or oil than with older cookware. Handles are double-riveted stainless steel, giving a sturdy, professional grip that doesn't wobble even when the pan is loaded. It's oven-safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, works on induction, gas, and electric alike, and cleans up in the dishwasher, though hand washing with a soft sponge will extend the non-stick life considerably. Home cooks who value consistency will appreciate the contoured, streamlined design, which also looks sharp enough to go straight from stove to table. The main trade-off is price. This sits at the premium end of the category. And PTFE coatings, however well made, still call for wooden or silicone utensils to avoid scratching. For anyone upgrading from flimsy starter pans, though, the performance justifies the investment.
Number 2. SENSARTE 12-inch non-stick pan. This one leans hard into the health-conscious angle, using a Swiss iLag non-stick surface that skips PFOA, PFOS, lead, and cadmium entirely. A real plus if you're wary of what leaches into food over time. Pancakes and eggs slide off with almost no effort, which means you can cook with a fraction of the oil you'd normally reach for, making it a solid pick for anyone watching fat intake. The body is heavy-duty cast aluminum, so it resists warping under high heat, and the induction-compatible base means it'll work regardless of what stovetop you own. One detail that stands out is the Bakelite handle with a wood grain finish. It stays cool to the touch during long cooking sessions, which matters if you're simmering sauces for a while. The glass lid is explosion-proof and lets you monitor food without lifting it, which helps retain moisture during braising or stewing. Since there are no rivets on the interior, wiping it clean takes seconds rather than minutes, though hand washing is recommended over the dishwasher to keep the non-stick coating performing well long-term. Versatility is a genuine strength here. This single pan handles searing, deep frying, blanching, and stir-frying, so it can realistically replace 2 or 3 other pieces in a smaller kitchen. The only minor catch is that, like most non-stick coatings, it isn't built for high heat searing at extreme temperatures for extended periods.
Number 3. Roomena compatible non-stick pan. Roomena takes a different route with its helianthus ceramic hybrid coating, which is specifically engineered to tolerate metal utensils without breaking down. A detail that matters if you're not the type to remember you're supposed to use silicone. Food releases cleanly, and the ceramic surface holds up over repeated use rather than degrading after a few months, which is a common complaint with cheaper ceramic pans. Underneath, a reinforced tri-ply stainless steel and impact-bonded base ensures heat spreads quickly and evenly, so you're not stuck babysitting hot spots while cooking delicate sauces or eggs. Compatibility is broad here too, with a high magnetic conductivity base that works across gas, electric, ceramic, halogen, and induction surfaces, making it a dependable choice regardless of what setup you have at home. Cleanup is where this pan
really shines, since the non-stick ceramic coating combined with dishwasher-safe, wear-resistant construction means you're not scrubbing baked-on residue after a busy dinner. It suits cooks who want durability without babying their cookware constantly, and the metal utensil tolerance makes it particularly appealing for people who cook with steel spatulas out of habit.
The trade-off is that exact size and handle details aren't specified, so shoppers wanting a particular diameter or handle style should double-check listings before buying. Overall, though, it's a strong option for anyone prioritizing longevity alongside easy release.
Number 4. CAROTE PFOA Non-Stick Pan. CAROTE keeps things straightforward with a granite-style non-stick coating that's free of PFOS and PFOA, appealing to anyone who wants safer daily cooking without overthinking the details. Cleanup is refreshingly low effort. Most residue wipes away with just a paper towel, and what's left rinses off with plain water, cutting down on both water waste and the environmental footprint of your dishwashing routine. The base is designed with an extended bottom and high magnetic conductive stainless steel, so it heats quickly and evenly while remaining compatible with every stovetop type, induction included. Because the coating releases, ventilation is limited. It's a versatile everyday pan rather than a specialty piece, well suited to cooks who want dependable results without fuss or a steep learning curve. Build quality feels solid for the price point, though the granite-style coating, like most nonstick surfaces, benefits from gentler care. Avoid metal utensils and high sustained heat if you want it to last. There's no mention of oven-safe temperature limits, so those planning to finish dishes under a broiler should verify before assuming similar limits to premium alternatives. For budget-conscious buyers, though, this pan delivers strong everyday value.
Number 5. SNOWCLAD 12-inch non-stick pan. SNOWCLAD stands out with its laser-etched snowflake surface, which blends stainless steel with a non-stick layer rather than relying purely on a coating, an approach that claims 50% more clad surface than typical hex pattern non-stick pans. This dual material design lets you cook with less oil or butter while still getting some of the browning benefits associated with traditional stainless steel. Underneath, multi-layer composite steel construction addresses the uneven heat conduction that plagues plain stainless pans, giving quicker, more consistent heat transfer for tasks like deep frying, braising, or sautéing. Since the surface skips traditional Teflon,
Positions this as an all-purpose kitchen piece, suitable for everything from pasta to stir-fries. Compatibility is broad, working across gas, electric, glass, and halogen stovetops, as well as induction, and it's available in multiple sizes, which helps if you're building out a full cookware collection rather than buying one-off pieces. Cooks who like the idea of stainless steel searing capability but want easier release will find this an interesting middle ground. The one thing to keep in mind is that hybrid clad surfaces behave a little differently than pure non-stick coatings, so there may be a short adjustment period if you're used to traditional Teflon pans.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.